Have you ever wondered if an animal could possibly have more than one brain? Or, get this, if milk could actually be pink? Well, you have come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive headfirst into the wild world of animals to uncover some of their most amazing and honestly kind of weird secrets. So, let's get right to it.
Okay, I want you to get ready to be amazed, because the first few facts we've got for you are absolutely guaranteed to make your jaw drop. First up, the octopus. This incredible creature doesn't have one brain, it has 9. That's right, it's got one main central brain to control the whole operation, and then each of its 8 arms has its own little mini brain. I mean, talk about multitasking, right?
And for our next trick, the hippo. Believe it or not, a mother hippo's milk is bright pink. And there's a reason for it. It's because it's packed with these 2 special acids that act like a natural sunscreen and an antibiotic for the baby. How cool is that? Nature is just full of surprises. And for our last little wild fact before we move on, just look at these adorable sea otters. So they don't drift apart from each other while they're sleeping in the water, they actually hold hands. It's just a beautiful example of the amazing social bonds you can find in the animal kingdom.
All right, let's switch gears and explore how animals actually experience the world around them. Get ready to find out about some truly super senses that honestly kind of put our own to shame.
Okay, just think about your favorite smell for a second. Maybe it's fresh baked pizza or cookies right out of the oven. Now imagine smelling that 10,000 times more powerfully. That's what it's like to be a dog. Their nose is without a doubt one of the most powerful tools they have.
So we go from super noses to super feed. A butterfly has its taste receptors on its feet, so it can actually tell if a flower's nectar is yummy just by landing on it. Can you imagine that? It's basically like having a tongue on the bottom of your shoes.
So here's a fascinating trade-off. An owl's eyes are totally fixed in their sockets. They can't move them at all. So to look around, it has to turn its entire head. But here's the superpower. It can rotate its neck almost a full 360 degrees, giving it a field of vision that's nearly a complete circle. Pretty amazing.
Okay, so we've explored their senses. Now let's get into how animals communicate. And it's not always about barks or chirps. They have this whole secret world of signals and languages that's just waiting to be discovered.
All right, all you cat owners out there, you're gonna want to hear this. That meow your cat gives you? Well, it turns out that's a special language they've developed just for us humans. Adult cats don't meow to each other, so when your cat meows at you, it's really truly trying to tell you something.
Now this is one of the most incredible examples of complex communication in the animal world. A bee's waggle dance is literally a living map. The angle of its little figure-8 dance tells the other bees the direction of the food source, and how fast it waggles tells them how far away it is. It is just an unbelievable display of teamwork.
And then there's this, which is just way too cute. When 2 prairie dogs meet up, they touch their noses and teeth together. Now, it looks like they're giving each other a little kiss, but what they're actually doing is identifying each other and basically saying, hey, you're one of us, you're part of my family.
Okay, go ahead and grab your virtual binoculars because our next stop is one of the most amazing places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. We're about to explore the incredible homes of some of the world's most fascinating creatures.
So, I want you to imagine the rainforest as this huge, bustling apartment building. Each floor, or layer, has its own unique community of animals living there. We're going to start our little tour at the ground level and work our way all the way up to the penthouse.
So our tour kicks off down here on the forest floor, which is a world of shadows and secrets. Down here, you're going to find the incredible green anaconda, a true giant of the river, and the super vibrant poison frog, whose bright colors are basically a giant sign telling predators, hey, don't even think about eating me.
Now, as we move up a level, we're in the understory, where things get a bit darker. This is the domain of the jaguar, a true master of stealth. Its spotted coat is the perfect camouflage for hunting in all that dappled light.
And here we are. Welcome to the penthouse suite of the rainforest, the sunny canopy. This place is like a treetop metropolis, buzzing with life. It's where you'll find animals like the stunning golden lion tamarin, leaping and living their best high-rise life.
You know, after seeing all these incredible animals, it's pretty natural to want to protect them. So, in our final section, we're going to talk about how every single one of us can be an animal helper and really make a difference for the creatures that we share our planet with. Now, you've probably heard the term endangered species before. So what does it actually mean? Well, it simply means that a particular kind of plant or animal has become so rare,
It's in very real danger of becoming extinct, of just disappearing from the world forever.
The Florida panther is a perfect and heartbreaking example. This absolutely majestic cat is critically endangered, and the main reason is that its natural home, its habitat, is shrinking because of human development. With less and less space to roam and hunt, their numbers are sadly getting smaller.
But it's not all bad news. There is hope. The comeback story of the bald eagle is just this powerful reminder of what we can do when we all work together. By banning a really harmful pesticide, we gave this iconic bird a fighting chance to recover, and now its population is soaring once again. It is a true conservation success story.
So, from milk that's pink to bees that dance to give directions, the animal kingdom is just full of endless wonder and incredible stories. The more we learn, the more we can appreciate these amazing creatures we share the planet with. So please, stay curious, keep exploring, and never ever stop asking questions. What amazing animal story are you going to uncover next?